Hey everyone, welcome back to part 5 of our Roblox Tag Game tutorial series. In this final part, yes, this is the last part of the Tag Game series. I had a blast making this series with you guys. Um I can't wait to see all of the tag games you make. I love you all. In this final part, we're adding a scoring system and round resets so your game works perfectly in multiplayer. Let's finish strong and make it ready to publish. So first off, you're gonna open your game. Guys, just letting you know. Oh, where did I go? Okay. Also, yes, you guys can make like a map. You guys can make like a map and everything. I'm just gonna do this because I'm not really gonna publish this. Okay. So in server script service, add a new script and name it to score mana. We're gonna do local players. It's equal to game. It's service players. We're gonna add a note that give points for tagging other players. Level function on tagger change player name it. If not player or not knew it, then returned end. If player find first child leader stats, then local points is equal to player dot leader stats. And find first child and points. This is the points that we made in like the leaderboard setup. So I'm just gonna bring it back here. If points then points dot value plus equal to 1 print player dot name dot now has dot where did that come from? Now has dot points dot value dot points. It may look confusing, I know. I'm gonna skip all the ends. I'm gonna add a note. Listen for changes in its values. Local function sets up player, and then put player in the parentheses. Oh my god, that was bad. If not player one find first child is it, then return end. Player dot is it on get property change signal value connects function. If player dot is it dot value is equal to false, then you're gonna need to find who became it. Or underscore comma p in pairs players owned players. Then if p is not equal to player and p colon find first child is it and p dot is it dot value is equal to true, then call the onTagger changed function and put p comma player, and this will be the last part. players dot player added connect. Do not put far. I'll put the setup player without the parentheses. For underscore comma p in pairs players and the players do, and just call the setup player function with p. And what it does, it gives 1 point to whoever tags another player, and it works across the server for all players. Now we need to reset the. So we're done with the score manager. What you want to do, you want to add another script into server script service in this round manager. Alright, so local. That's my local players is equal to game get service players local round underscore time. So this is gonna be your this is optional. So like if you have this set to like 180, you want to set this to 180. Minus 60. So I'm just gonna set this to 60. That is completely optional too. Just make sure it says matches this number right there. Okay. You want to do local function. Choose new it. Local all players. They got the players calling get players. If all players put hashtag so it gets the number equal to 0, then return end or underscore comma p in pairs all players to do if p colon find first child is it, then p dot is it dot value is equal to false, and just skip to ends. Local chosen is equal to all players brackets math dot random 1 comma hashtag all players chosen dot is it dot value is equal to true. Print chosen dot name dot quotation marks space is the new it. Oh my god, that was insane. A local function starts around timer while true do wait around time print question marks. I'm gonna grab an emoji. I'm gonna do this one. Round ended. I like using emojis to like expresses my starting a new one. And we choose a new way. And then we do skip the ends. Task dot spawn start round timer. So what it does, it keeps track of time automatically. It resets the 8 level every round, loops forever so the game never ends. Now, what we are going to do, we're done with the scripts. We can click here, server and clients, set it to 2 players. It took a while. Oh god, my laptop is heating. I film on a laptop. Alright, well, player 1 is it. And that is me, player 1. And the highlight won't work because it works in the next round. So. Okay, why does this take? Well, okay, I don't understand why the round time is different. Okay, so this is player 1. An attack. As you see, player 2 is it, but it's probably client-sided. It's supposed to be player 2. It's probably because we put in a local script. So they might just be saying things. Yep, as you can see, we have the highlight. However, yeah. Well, if you want an optional add-on, you can go into the round manager. And you can add so you can go to the round manager. Like if you want the scores to reset each round, you can open. Oh my god! If you want to open you want the round to end. You want the round ending, and you want the reset scores. You can add this. So for underscore comma p in pairs players get players. What? Oh my god! Get players. If p find first child leader stats, then p dot leader stats dot points dot value is equal to 0. But this is entirely optional. You don't have to do this. That is up to you. So thank you all for following this tutorial. And yeah, that's it. You have a fully working multiplayer tag game. I recommend playing this with a friend because NPCs from the server and clients might tweak a little bit. And it's complete with the UI, timer, sound, scoring, and auto rounds. You can now customize your maps. You can add player speed boosts or even new game modes. However, so let's do a script recap. So you have 3 scripts. Yeah, you should have 5 scripts in total. You should have leaderboard setup, score manager, round manager, 8 highlight, tag. You should have 6 extra, and you should have the tag UI hanger. So, thank you all for participating in this. Not participating. What did I say? That? Thank you all for following this series. I really love you. The series was a blast. So, thank you all for watching the series. Comment below what series I should try to do next, because other series didn't work out. So I stopped them, like the Squid Game one, the Tower Defense one. I'm sorry if you were following those tutorials. I'll try to get a new version up soon. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and congrats on making your tag game. Goodbye.